You don't expect a normal ride to turn into a 3-year battle. But when a car runs a stop sign and hits a motorcyclist, everything changes. I'm Ed Rosenthal, personal injury lawyer here in Connecticut. Today I want to talk to you about a real case that shows just how serious these crashes can be and why some injury claims take time to resolve. If you've been in a motorcycle crash or you're dealing with long-term injuries after a traumatic accident, this is for you. Let me tell you what happened. My client was riding his motorcycle, nothing out of the ordinary. He was alert, cautious, and he had the right of way. Then, out of nowhere, a driver ran a stop sign and T-boned him at an intersection. The impact was brutal. My client was thrown from the bike and hit his head. He suffered a traumatic brain injury, along with serious orthopedic injuries to his back. This wasn't a settle in 6 months type of case. This was a long road. Over 3 years of medical care, neurologists, surgeons, physical therapy, and cognitive rehab. Every part of his life changed. The insurance company, they pushed back. They questioned the brain injury. They argued about the severity and whether the injuries were permanent. But we stood our ground. We brought in the right experts, we documented everything, and when it was time, we secured a settlement of over $1 million. Here's the thing most people don't realize. If you've suffered a serious injury, especially a brain injury, your case is going to take time. Why? Because we can't rush the medical side of it. We need to understand the full extent of the injury before we can fairly value the claim. Doctors need time to evaluate. Recovery isn't linear. And with something like a TBI, you may not even know what's going to impact your daily life for months or years. So if you're going through something like this, here's what I want you to know. Get medical treatment immediately and keep going. Even if you feel okay after the crash, brain injuries can show up later. Don't skip out on follow-ups or therapy. Be patient with the process. I know it's frustrating. You want closure, you want the case settled, but settling too soon can leave you with lifelong consequences and not enough money to cover them. Work with a lawyer who understands complex injuries. This isn't about a quick check. It's about your long-term health and stability. You need someone who knows how to fight these cases and wait them out when needed. Document everything. Keep a journal. Save every record. If your life has changed physically, emotionally, financially, it matters and we'll need to prove it. If you or someone you love was in a motorcycle crash and suffered serious injury, don't wait. Don't try to do this alone. These cases take time, but they also take strategy, experience, and care. Give me a call. Let's talk through your case. I'll walk you through what to expect and how we can start building the right path forward. No pressure, just answers. Again, I'm Ed Rosenthal. Stay safe out there, and when things go wrong, I'm here to help you make them right.